Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do an abstract nail art design on some tapered square nails. So I'm going to be using my C-Curve XXL nail tips, and I'm just going to glue these on like normal. I am about to cut these babies down, and I did want to mention that I am using a peel off base coat on my natural nails because I don't plan on keeping the set on for very long. I'm probably going to take them off tomorrow or the day after. So if you guys are wondering, I just wanted to reiterate that I do not nail prep in my videos, and in this video I have a peel off base coat. Here I'm showing you the shape of the nails on the free edge are kind of wonky, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with straight edge clippers, and I'm going to trim these down on the edges and make sure they're not hanging over my skin, which makes the nails have like a strange shape. So for my color, I'm going to be using the Ohuhu Polygel in P1. I did a review of these polygels in this brand on my channel. Definitely check it out. This brand is great, and I really enjoy their products. So I'm going to be going in with that polygel and my rubbing alcohol for a slip solution, and I'm going to apply the polygel like usual. I'm going to leave, I think, this finger and the next finger in real time, and then I put it in 2x, so it just goes by a little quicker for you guys while watching. are going to rub these babies down with some rubbing alcohol. You guys know when using polygel or gel products, there will always be a sticky, tacky layer, and you don't want it to clog your file, so make sure you don't skip this step. And then I'm going to go in with my hand file. It is a 180 grit hand file, and I'm going to do all of my shaping with this. Just don't be fooled, you guys do not need a nail drill. I know so many videos on YouTube have e-files and nail drills, but you really don't need one. I have one, and literally the only thing I use it for is cuticle work, so yeah. So I'm going to go in with a gel polish from Gershon in S007. It is a beautiful blue color. And I just want to preface this with, I did get this design off of Pinterest. I saw it and I really liked it, so credit where credit is due. I found this design on Pinterest, but it's really cute and I wanted to recreate it. So I'm going in with a fine nail art brush and I'm just drawing the abstract designs. I'm going to leave some of this in real time, and then I'm going to speed the rest of it up just for time's sake. It's long and it's boring, so it's going to be sped up. So you guys can kind of see that this polish is pretty sheer, I guess the word would be. So you definitely need more than one coat. I did the whole design, I did all of my nails, and then I actually cured it and went back in with a second coat. So keep that in mind, whatever polish you're using, depending on the brand or whatever, you're maybe gonna need 2 or 3 coats. So like I said, after finishing these, I did a second coat of the blue polish to make the color really stand out and make the lines crisp and make the polish really opaque. And then I'm going to be going in with the Ohuhu top coat, and this is what we are looking like. These are so dope. They're so cute. I really hope you guys like them. I think they're really cute and perfect for spring. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!